Good morning, ma'am.
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 Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good
Good morning, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Can you clear
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
properly?
Good morning,
Yes.
Louder.
ma'am.
Yes.
Everybody mute your audio. Everybody
Good
mute it.
morning, ma'am.
Yes. Pause. I am going to count. Ready? 1, 2. Felix, mute your audio. See, I am going to count 3. Before the 3, you all should mute it. Felix, Arpita, Siddhi.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Who can't hear you?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Okay, let me see. See, let me call Manas. Unmute your audio, Manas.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
What are you saying,
Okay.
ma'am?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, is it
No,
clear?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay, see, those can't hear, please check your audio. Those who can hear me, please show a thumbs up. Fast. Please show me a thumbs up. Those can't hear my sound. See, almost all can hear. So, if you can't hear my voice, means please check your device. Check your network.
I can't hear you.
Prithvi, mute your audio. Siddhi, mute your audio and switch on the video. Fast,
Ma'am, I can't hear
everybody
you.
fast. Siddhi, mute your audio. Mute it first. Mute your audio. Okay. See now, Felix, mute your audio, switch on the video.
Now I can hear you, ma'am.
Fast. Okay, so once again I am
Okay, ma'am.
checking my audio. Those who can hear me, give a thumbs up. Show me a thumbs up. Thumbs up by hand. No need of any animation. Only by hand. Okay, so good morning. Here we can start our class. In the last class, we had discussed excretion through skin and lungs, right? And how we can take care of skin, lungs, and kidneys. And symptoms of non-functioning of excretory organs. Are you remember these all things? Are you remembering these all things? Isan?
Yes.
These all things, Isan. Unmute it, Isan.
Yes.
Yes, are you remembering these all things which we had discussed in the last class?
Yes.
Okay, so let you tell me how you can take care of your skin. Isan, switch on the video. Okay, how you can take care of your skin. See, everybody keep quiet. I will ask questions. Okay, today I am going to ask questions. Isan, how you can take care of your skin?
Take a bath regularly.
Okay, by taking bath regularly using soap and water. Okay. Mute your audio. Felix.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
How can you take care of your lungs? How can you take care of your lungs? Felix. Yes.
We should do breathing exercise.
Okay, breathing exercise. Then Okay, tell me fast. Tell me fast. Tell me fast, Felix. One is that breathing exercise.
We
Another
should do
one.
breathing exercise.
Okay, that is there. And one more thing is there.
No.
Mute your audio. Mute your audio, Felix. Mute your audio. See, those who know the answer, please raise the hand. Mayuk S. Nair, unmute and tell.
We should protect our lungs by smoke and dust by wearing a mask when we go out.
Very good answering. Okay, very good answering. Good. Keep it up, Mayuk. Mute your audio. Tanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
see, some sounds from your houses are coming. Juban, mute your audio. See, now I am going to mute all because so much sounds are from your house. So after that, whom I am calling, they should answer my questions. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So next question. Next question. Haira Fatima, mute your audio. Mute your audio. Okay, let me ask, how can we take care of our kidneys? Who know the answer? Raise your hand. Who know the answer? Raise your hand. Yes, Aditi. Mute it. Unmute it as Aditi. Unmute it. Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, we should drink water.
Loads of water. Good. Then,
We should eat
we should eat.
healthy foods like
Ah.
berries,
Okay, fruits and vegetables. Why can't you say that? No need to
Fruits
tell
and
each item.
vegetables.
Fruits and vegetables. We can include fruits and lots of
fruits and
vegetables
vegetables.
in our food. Okay, and if it is possible, we can eat kidney beans also. Okay? Got it?
Rajma.
Okay, Rajma.
Rajma.
Mute your audio, Aditi. Okay, next question. Next question. What are the symptoms of non-functioning of excretory organs? I am going to repeat. Prithvi, mute your audio. Mute it. Fast. Okay. What are the symptoms of non-functioning of excretory organs? Raise your hand. Those know the answer, please raise your hand. Please raise. Okay, Sri Hari, unmute it. Unmute it, Sri Hari. Okay, tell me the answer.
The color and smell of the urine may change.
Color and smell of urine may change. Okay, then?
May lead to swelling.
Okay, it may lead to swelling of different body parts. It may lead to the swellings of different body parts. Okay, mute it, Sri Hari. Mute it. So let me ask you, Rayan. Rayan, unmute it, Rayan. Unmute it. Okay, what are the symptoms of non-functioning of excretory system? Tell me. Sri Hari told it that, so you can just remind that one. Rayan. Rayan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, what are the symptoms of non-functioning of excretory system? Yes, Rayan. You are not listening? Danvin. So now Danvin is going to say it.
Okay,
After that, I will come back to Rayan. Rayan, now mute and listen properly.
Ma'am?
Yes.
The color and smell of urine may change,
Okay. Then,
and it will lead us to swelling.
oh, it leads to the swellings of different body parts. It leads to the swellings of different body parts. Okay, then we're good. Mute your audio.
Kidney stone.
Okay, where is this one? Rayan? I can't see Rayan. Rayan?
Yes, ma'am.
tell me, what are the symptoms of non-functioning of excretory system?
The roof.
Rayan? Rayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Two students already told the answer. Are you feeling difficulty? 1 minute. Manav? Manav?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do you know the answer of what are the symptoms of non-functioning of excretory system?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please tell. Rayan, listen. Okay? Okay, Manav, tell me.
Color and smell of urine may
Color and smell of urine may
may
change. Next one.
It may lead to swelling to different body parts
It leads to the swelling of
It leads-
different body parts. Okay.
and
Okay, Manav.
kidney stones.
Okay, and it will lead to kidney stones also. Manav, mute it. Rayan, tell me. Tanvi, mute your audio.
The color and smell.
Ah, smell of what? Color and smell of? Urine.
Urine.
U-R-I-N-E. Urine. Ah,
Urine.
color and smell of urine
The
may
urine may
ah, change.
different color of parts.
Different color. See, swellings on different parts of our body. It leads to the swelling. See, I showed some pictures, right? Hands, legs and all swelled up. Did you
Yes.
see that all? Rayan?
Yes.
Okay, so swellings on different body parts and also formation of kidney stones. Okay? Okay, so mute your audio.
Ma'am.
Me asked, Rudra, mute your audio. Let me. Okay, let me ask you, Risa Abdul Kalam, unmute it. Risa, fast. Risa,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so tell me, how is this kidney stones are produced? How these kidney stones are formed? Where it is formed? Tell me first, where the kidney stones are formed? Where the kidney stones are formed? Where we can see these kidney stones?
In the kidneys inside.
Yes? Yes? Yes. Okay. See, there was a power failure. That is why. Can you hear me? Okay. Okay. So, everybody take page number 20 of, sorry, question number 20 of excretory system in the workbook. Excretory system workbook. Okay. Dia Viju, unmute it, Dia. Yes, can you tell me the page number of question 20? Excretory system, question number 20, page number. Can you tell me fast?
15.
15. Okay, so everybody take page number 15, mute your audio, mute it. Okay, so everybody take page number 15, 15, okay. So there the 20th question, I gave it as a homework, right? Okay, it is simply a puzzle. It is simply a puzzle. So let me call this one. Okay, Adidev Anil Kumar, unmute it, Adidev. Adidev, unmute it. Okay.
No.
Yes, you read that question loudly. All others listen. Read that question loudly.
We can prevent the formation of kidney stones.
Okay.
Solve the following crossword to know how.
Okay, okay. So questions are given, answer you will get from the puzzle. Did everybody copy the notes?
Yes.
Did it?
Yes.
Everybody copied?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
Adidev, Dia, mute your audio. Adidev, read the questions and its answers.
A. Kidney stones are formed here.
Kidney stones are formed here. Where the kidney stones are formed?
Urine. Network of the school ക്ലാസ്സിൽ സ്കൂളിന്റെ അവിടെ തന്നെ കുറെ ടവറുകളുണ്ടല്ലേ.
Ma'am, I cannot see you. No, girl.
See, again there was a power failure. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Okay, dear student, who is reading that one? Adidev. Adidev. Okay, please continue, Adidev. Please do. A. Kidney stones are formed here. What is the answer of that one? Adidev. Unmute it. Unmute it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
urine.
Urine. Okay. Next one. Next question. Read it loud.
Not drinking enough of this leads to the formation of kidney stones.
Not drinking enough of this leads to the formation of kidney stone. What is the answer?
Water.
What is the answer? Water. Okay. Can you see this all? Okay.
Yes,
Adidev,
Yes,
Adidev, mute your audio. Sarah, unmute it. Sarah, Maria, unmute it. Fast, fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the C. Question C and its answer. Fast.
Excess of this causes the formation of kidney stones.
Excess of this causes. Excess means more than. Excess of this causes the formation of kidney stone. What is the answer? What is the answer, Sarah?
Ma'am, I don't know. I have no right to
Thanks.
it.
Very good. Very good. So, Rissa, mute your audio now. Sarah, mute your audio. Rissa, unmute it. Fast. Okay. Okay, read it loud. What is the answer of that one?
This can cause the formation of kidney stones. Minerals.
Is it mineral? C. What is the answer of the C? Across.
C is salt. Salt.
That is the salts. Okay. Okay. Rissa, keep the speaker some more distant from your mouth. Not in the mouth, but keep it. Some more, raise it. Okay. That distance is enough. Read the D. Question D. First. Rissa, read it.
Okay, ma'am. An axis after this two can cause the formation of kidney stones.
Again. Once again you read.
An axis of
And excess. And excess.
an excess of this two can cause the formation of the kidney stones.
Okay, what is the answer of that one? D.
Minerals.
Minerals. Okay, good. Next one, E. Read it, Rissa, first.
Kidney stones block this when they are the size of pea.
Kidney stones block this when they are the size of a pea. What they are blocking?
Water.
E. What is the answer of E?
Ureter.
Ureter.
Ureter. Okay, E. Answer of E is ureter.
Ureter.
Devarsh, mute your audio. Rissa also mute it. See, why I am making you to read it, when I am asking you to read, I can find that some of you are not completing your notes. See, today onwards PT started, right? Last week I gave all the notes. Everything I completed in the last week. So when you will going to write this, copy these notes, if you are going to copy it, who will learn for the PT exams? So after today itself, you complete it, okay? In the last week, I had given all the notes. Next one, Devarsh, unmute your audio. Devarsh, please unmute. Devarsh, unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you read the 19th question and its
19.
answer? Okay, 19. Everybody listen.
Answer the following
Oh,
questions to tell what will happen if the kidney do not function properly.
What will happen if the kidneys do not function properly? Okay. So first, what changes you can see in the urine? Huh? After that, what can happen to us? What changes we will see in our body? Likewise, it is divided, the answer is divided into 3 points. Okay, Devash, read. A.
What changes will we see in the urine?
Okay.
Color and smell of the urine may change.
Color and smell of the urine may change. Okay. Next one.
What can happen to us?
Okay. What can happen? Read the answer.
Yes, we may start vomiting.
We may start vomiting. One more is there.
We may feel tired.
Okay. What can happen to us? We may start vomiting. We may feel tired. 2 things can happen to us. Okay. Next one.
What changes will we see in our body?
Okay. What
Excess
changes?
water in the body may lead to swelling.
Excess water in the body may lead to swelling. Okay, these are the 3 points what we want to learn. I hope everybody completed this note. Is there anybody to complete? Those
No.
have not completed, raise your hand. Those haven't completed their notes. Siddhi is there? Who did not complete? Raise your hand. Everybody completed.
Yes.
Okay, next one, I will call this one. Please mute your audio. Okay, then who was that reading that one before that? Okay, now I will call Aditi. Aditi, unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read. Aditi, please read question number 18.
State 2 ways in which we can keep our lungs healthy.
Okay, state 2 ways in which we can keep our lungs healthy. Okay, tell me.
A. Do breathing exercises. B. Protect ourselves from dust and smoke by wearing a mask when we go outside.
Okay, okay. Is there everything understood, right? It is easy. But for the PT1 exam, there is no short answers and long answers. But I will ask questions, MCQ, objective type question from these all answers. Okay, so you have to learn properly, understand the question answers properly. Sri Hari, what you are doing? Sit there. Next question. This one, Aditi, please mute your audio. Next question, Glenn Baiju. Unmute it, Glenn Baiju. Glenn, fast. Unmute it fast. Not able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so read the 17th question.
How can we take care of our skin?
Okay, read it.
We should have a bath regularly.
Okay.
We should keep the skin clean using soap and water.
Okay, very good. Your sound is so good. Okay, so please read the 15th and 16th question also.
Okay, ma'am. What will happen if the excretory system does not work properly?
Okay, that is the 16th question, right? Okay.
Yes.
What is the answer?
Liquid waste will pile up inside the body.
Okay. Say everybody check it. The answer which you had copied is correct or not. That is why we are discussing this all here. Okay. 15th one also.
Which of the following may not be sign of not functioning of kidneys?
Okay. Which
The
of the
dish
following?
eyes.
What is the all other? Color and smell of urine, tiredness, vomiting. These all are the symptoms of non-functioning. So, which is not the symptom of non-functioning? Red eyes.
Yes.
If our excretory organs are not functioning, means it is there is no connection between the reddish eye and the non-functioning. Got it? Okay.
Yes.
Next question, 14th one. I will ask. Okay, Siddhi, unmute and read it loudly. Okay, you have to read it loudly. Unmute. Unmute. Okay. Okay. Read. Say this question have two parts. 14th question have two parts. So please listen properly and you have to check it. The answer which you had written is correct or wrong. Siddhi, please.
Lungs will help in excretion.
Okay.
Answer the following questions to explain.
Hmm.
What is the waste that lungs throw out of the body?
Okay.
Tick the correct option.
Okay. See, what is the waste that lungs throw out of the body? Urine, salt, excess water, carbon dioxide. Which is the waste, Siddhi?
Carbon dioxide.
So, tick the carbon dioxide. Tick the carbon dioxide. And one more part is there, B. Read it, Siddhi, fast.
How do lungs excrete this waste?
Okay, okay.
During breathing, the lungs absorb oxygen from the air and throw out carbon dioxide.
Okay, so during breathing, the lungs absorb oxygen from the air and throw out carbon dioxide. Okay, so everybody check it whether it is correct or not. Next class, we can discuss some more questions. Now time is over. So everybody leave it from the class. Okay, thank you, dear students.